everyone, brenticuss here, Retro Roots, where we get the root of all gaming. We are back with Laser World. This is Cluster Truck. I don't... Excuse me. 2, 1. Well. Alright. I see what we have to do here. Oh. Ooh. Fuck. Alright. Alright, I get the idea. Ooh. Yeah, that was a nice warm-up. Don't you fall off that fucking truck. I wonder which truck's safe. Like, there's obviously a truck in this lineup that is gonna make it, that you don't have to jump with. 3, 2, 1. Ha! I didn't trust that one. I feel like we're gonna get halfway through it. We're gonna get like freaking like that black dude in the first Resident Evil movie. Remember when he's like jumping all over those lasers and he's like, ah, shit. Ooh. Oh, no, I do not like this. Yeah, I'll go over you. Nope. You have to point your head where you want to go. No, I do not like this. This sucks. This might be the level where we stop playing this game. Nope, I do not like this. Yep, we've... Stay the course. Oh my god, I do not like this. Freaking hands are sweaty. Fuck. Damn. I'm trying to do the whole like strife thing and shut up. Oh man. Fuck. That is hard. I'm telling you, this game launches you forward. I'm not that shitty, I promise you. Like, when you press forward, you better be ready to go forward. Shit. Like, that's the thing, like, I can't recenter myself. I mean, I know that's the whole point of it. And I'm already pressing jump to compensate for me missing the truck already. Like, I don't feel safe just... You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm ready to miss the truck instead of land squarely on top of it with no repercussions. Fuck! Get over here. Man, damn. Get over there. Damn. Ooh, this is hard. Damn, this is hard. Damn. Well, this may be the wall where the series ends. Ah, seriously. Fuck. Bad time for a coughing fit. I'm sure that sounds like crap on the audio too. Oh, get over it. There we go. Fuck. Sorry about that. Thought I heard somebody knocking on my door, but it was these sick fucking beats. The sound of me knocking down the barriers. Breaking through the glass ceiling. Maybe if I try to do the inside of the truck. Like some Mirror's Edge shit. Damn. Where'd you go, truck? This might be the end of this game. Yep. This may be the end of this game. Because I'm not going to sit here. I may practice offline, but then if I beat it offline, I'm not going to go back and be like, this is how I beat it. Damn. Maybe I need to go back to that whole side-to-side thing I was doing. Yeah, because that worked great. Slow and steady wins the laser truck race. Also, I gotta turn down my fucking heat. You know that whole, like, it's cold until you're like, oh my god, it's balls hot. Yeah, it just got balls hot. Ooh, that's an annoying sound. There's gotta be a tactic. Yeah, let somebody besides me play the game, right? Shit. Am I anywhere near the goal? Oh damn, please. Please. No! Start glitching now, game. Shit. Ah, fuck. It's always that next truck up. That seems to be the sweet spot. Ah, fuck. If you get your timing off, you're fucking done. Shut up, Credit Karma. I know my credit sucks. I don't need a friendly reminder. It's like, hey, want to see 3 credit cards that you have a fair, hardly fair, and get the fuck out of here chance for? Credit Karma. Selling your information so you can check your credit score every 30 seconds. You'll never buy a house. You fucking loser. Whoa. And that was some hellacious airtime. Like, every once in a while, this game will frickin' just fling you. Like that. Just shot me up in the air. Oh, fuck. Alright, just 500 more times, and then I'll call it a quit. I felt like I had something. If I wouldn't have got that close to the goal, I would have already turned this game off. Alright, so that one. Then that one. Damn. The thing is to not to double jump, but be ready to double jump. That one. That one. That one. That one. That fuck. Damn. That one. That one. That one. That one. Fuck. Ah, you get off. I can only do that about 3 times. Fuck. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. Fuck. 1. 2. 2.5. Fuck. Yeah, okay. Sure. Why the fuck not? You gotta look at the truck. One jump, look at the truck. I'm a one jump chump. Fuck. Look at the flowers. Look at the pretty flowers. Get back over there. Fuck. I want to do this. Ah, man. So this is when I need Jonathan here, so I can hand it over to him and be like, here, you suck at it for a while. You know what? I'm gonna look down a little bit. How about that? Damn. Ah, fuck, this is hard. Alright, that's way too down. Jesus Christ. Go, baby, go. Fuck. Man, I am just covered in semen. I mean sweat. I mean semen. What was the first thing I said? Sweat. Go, baby. Fuck! Like, whenever I do one of those super launches, I can never get back on the fucking truck. Fucking do it. Fucking do it. Fucking do it. Fucking... Yes! Praise the maker, my god, I thought that was going to be the end of this fucking game. Woo! I feel like I'm at a David Bowie show. Whoa! I'm just going to sit right here. Cool. Oh, fuck. Do I need to get up a few? Nope. What's the fucking tactic for this part? Tell me. Like what tactic here? What tactic there? Luck? Do I need? Is this like fucking D&D? Do I need to increase my luck? That didn't hit me. That I would like to see my hitbox. That hit me. That fucking ran me right in two. All right. Damn. Ooh, I don't know about that one. Fuck. Laser World officially sucks penis. Yeah, I felt that one. That one. Yeah, I can always see him now. There ain't nothing I can do about it. That one. Fuck. What am I supposed to do besides sit there and get lasered? Ooh, maybe that one. Yep. What am I supposed to do here? Pray? That one was a little wide. I call bullshit on that other one. Here, let's try a third up. That one. Yep. I can almost feel the laser now. That one was close. That one. There, look. I am the master of my own fate. I'll take myself out of this world if I'm to go. That one. Damn. Ooh, that one. Ooh, that one. Fuck. What am I supposed to do? Like, I can manipulate it a little bit in the early parts. There's one or two, but like... Ooh. Okay, like, okay, so I did that, right? Oh, yeah. Like, what do I do here? What am I supposed to do there? Like right here. Just hope. There. I call bullshit. Shit. I'm still bobbing and weaving these things like I'm gonna dodge them. I mean, there might be a little sport to these first few lasers, but that last barrage, Uzumaki barrage, Shadow Clone Jutsu. Like right here. What? At least the other one had a tactic to it. I knew if I could master jumping from truck to truck. Is there a pattern to the lasers? Fuck. I can do this. Damn. I don't, like, right here. What is the move? Fuck! Like, I saw a sweet-ass fucking opening. That one. Fuck. I just shoot the gap? Is that the lesson to be learned here? Oof, that one should have been it. There's a gap. Ooh, ooh. Fucking luck. Luck is the skill to pass this level. Alright, brenticuss, RehTro. See you next.